Where can you find WhatsApp documents in Android? So let me explain the thing. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you receive a WhatsApp document or somebody sends something over, I think the best way would be to just open it up through some sort of app and actually store it in there. So if it's a PDF, you can tap on it and save it into a PDF editor. Then it's going to be there, or decided that you store it in some kind of storage like the Google Drive or something, right? But if not, it's still going to be part of WhatsApp. If you go to your files manager, like on my Samsung phone, it is called My Files. And in there, you can basically find the WhatsApp attachments. So you could go into the internal storage, proceed to the Android, and then see the data as well as media. But part of the media, you can find WhatsApp, and in here, you should be able to find the stuff that you have, like the documents, which might be either private or sent, and you can find it like that. Or as well, alternatively, inside of the main files app, you can use the search and look up the term WhatsApp, and you should also have the ability to see some things which are WhatsApp related. For example, the different folders, which I've shown you in just a second before. And you can also just look that up through the search and find the sections and different folders where you might have your media stored. So it depends on how much stuff you have. But that's all from me. I hope I was able to guide you through it and show you how it kind of works. If you are first time, as I said, subscribe so you don't miss future uploads, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.